welcome to Kavya's Little Magic, and today I'm going to tell you some amazing facts about aeroplanes. Fact number one: do you know that oxygen masks only last for 15 minutes? What? 15 minutes? Everybody will think. Oh, you can. The pilots are very goodly trained, and they could take the aeroplane down, means on the normal altitude, in 15 minutes. So don't worry, there's nothing to worry. So now there is something about these three strange safety rules which nobody will understand. Keep your seat in the upright position. Close your tray table and then there is one, and keep your window open at all times. So these three rules are important for emergency evacuation. If you don't close your tray table and then there's an emergency evacuation, you can get out of there. You'll be stuck like that. And if your seat is not in the upright position, it's like this, your neighbor would get injured, or he won't survive in that emergency evacuation. And the third and most important rule is keep your window open at all times. You know you are sleepy and you don't want to ever again see the sunlight again, but this is an important rule, because when you close your window, the flight attendants could not see what's going on. So the flight attendants see everything what's going on from the window, and then if there is fire, then the flight attendant could tell the pilot, and then we will be saved. The other question of mine was, why are aeroplanes white? I had too many questions to answer, so I picked this one first. Why are aeroplanes white? And then I researched and saw aeroplanes are white because white paint is cheaper. And white paint is cheaper. On white, we can easily see the damage. Like, if there was a black color plane, we will not even know it was damaged, right? So that's my point. And the last but not least one, white color is a great color. It keeps itself cool, and it is a cool color. So the aeroplane doesn't get too hot. So the other question I had, can aeroplanes withstand thunderstorms? I said yes. Yeah, I know that aeroplanes can withstand thunderstorms. There's nothing to worry if there's a thunderstorm. Don't panic, we're gonna crash, what to do. So nothing happens. It's just not normal, maybe, but nothing happens to the aeroplane. It is made by high quality, tested by millions of stuff, and one of them is lightning. So don't worry. Now the other question of mine was, why are there triangles on some of the windows? Now, that one I told you in the secured safety rules point, that the flight attendants have to see if there is an emergency evacuation. And if there wasn't a triangle right there, they could not see where is the wing. I know they can see where is the wing, but they'll have to search it from the whole plane. Would you like that the flight attendant searches from the whole plane, but not for something, but not you. If you ring that bell button, of course. So that's the thing. So if there is a triangle, she could see how the wings doing. It's not damaged, right? She can see like that. So other thing is, can is the is the black box really black? No, it isn't. The black box is orange, so it could see. So that it could see get attention if there is an emergency water landing. Now there is another question. Is water landing safer than ground landing? All the people think that water landing is safer, but water landing is not that safe for aeroplanes, because pilots try to avoid this because the water landing is harder. Then they say that water landing is harder because when the plane comes down and touches the water, like you dive, when you dive you hurt your tummy, right? It's the same thing with the aeroplane. They try to avoid water landings as much as they can. Sorry, my mom came and she was telling me something about something. Yeah, about my snacks. So pilots try to avoid water landing, and they say that ground landing is safer than water landing. And now you say, is turbulence really that dangerous? No, it isn't. Turbulence is not that dangerous for pilots. You know how the cars go on that bumpy road? It's same, but it's on air. The air is the plane's road. So pilots are not afraid of turbulence. And there is this phrase which you might not know. The pilot says, we are flying in an air pocket, means there is turbulence. So nothing happens if there is turbulence. It's just an everyday thing, okay? For the pilots, not for us. So why is aeroplane food tasting that bad? Okay, so aeroplane food is tasting that bad because not because the chef is born in a jail and doesn't know how to cook. No, not that. So because when we are in the air, your taste buds get a little bit changed. So something or anything can happen. And then you think again, why do flight attendants greet you like this? Hello, I'm a flight attendant. See, behind her, this arm, she keeps one small little counting device where she can count how much passengers are coming in. Okay, so thank you for watching some amazing facts about aeroplanes. Like, share and subscribe. Kavya's Little Magic. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.